Okay, welcome once again to linuxin.com YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about EMACS shortcuts. So this is like the extension of the previously done video, which was related to EMACS commands. Okay, so specifically we are going to focus on Windows. Okay, so you can call this video as the extension of the EMACS commands video as well. Okay, so we're just gonna name it as EMACS shortcuts. So in this EMACS shortcut video, we're gonna just talk about the shortcuts specifically related to the window. Okay, the window of the EMACS. So let's assume that we have this file opened up, like, you know, let's just open up any file on the desktop. Let's say we open up this file, or yeah, this one. So right here we have this file. So let's say if we want to close the window, then what we can do is that we can press Ctrl+x and then K. So you can see that it says kill buffer. So we hit enter and you can see that the buffer has been killed. Okay, so let me just type in here really quick, C and then X, and then you got to press K. Okay, so what it would do, that it would basically close the buffer. All right, so the next command is basically Ctrl+x and then you press B. So basically what it is going to do, that it is going to take you to the next window. So let's say that basically we open up here two files. So let's say we open this one, program new file.py, and we also open this COMM file on our desktop. Okay, so on our desktop we have this file. We open it up again. So you can see that now we have basically two files opened up. So now if we want to go to the next window, we're gonna press Ctrl+x and then B. Okay, so it says switch to buffer default new file.py. Okay, so if we hit enter, and you can see that we have now moved to the next window. Okay, so if you want to choose between two windows, so what you have to do in that case, you have to press Ctrl+x. Let me just write here real quick. This was basically related to the next window. Okay, so the next command or the next shortcut is related to the choose window. So for that we write here Ctrl+x and Ctrl+b, which is basically related to the choose window. Okay, so let me just go ahead and try it. So I press here Ctrl+x and Ctrl+b, and now you can see that we have multiple windows here from which we can basically choose. All right, so let's say I choose this COMM. You can see that now this window has been opened here. Okay, so if I want to maximize this window that I am in, so what I can do is that I can press Ctrl+x and then 1. Okay, so now you can see that basically now it has been maximized. Okay, so if we do something like here Ctrl+x and then 1, it would basically maximize the window. Okay, so the other command is basically if we press Ctrl+x, what it would do, Ctrl+x and 2, what it would do is that it would basically split it horizontally. Okay, split horizontal. And if we do Ctrl+x3, it would also split, but now this time the split would be vertical. Okay, and then let me just go ahead and let's try these two first. So if I press Ctrl+x and then 2, you can see that now it has basically split the windows horizontally. So now if I press Ctrl+x and 3, so now you can see that it has basically splitted the window vertically as well. Okay, so now if you basically want to switch focus between these windows, so right now you can see that our cursor is in here. So if you want to switch it, so what you can do is that you can press Ctrl+x and then press O. Okay, so, press Ctrl+x and then O. Press Ctrl+x and then O. You can see that the focus is moving. So now it's in here. So if I press Ctrl+x and O again, it is in here. Okay, so I hope you have got the point. So let me just write here quickly Ctrl+x and then basically O, a small O, it basically switches the focus, okay, or you can say switches the window or switches focus. All right, so I hope you have got the point. You have learned something new in terms of EMACS shortcuts. I hope you have enjoyed this video. You have learned something new, and for written articles you can visit our website linuxn.com. I'll see you in the next video.